Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be our 2020 vision board. So if this is your first time watching me or my channel, just make sure you go ahead, click that subscribe button, click the little notification bell, all that good stuff. There's some great stuff coming in 2020, so I would hate for you to miss it. Also, make sure you're following my family vlog channel for any behind the scenes fun that you like to see of myself or my family. Alright you guys, so I am beyond excited to be doing this video. So we're going to do two vision boards today. We're going to do one in my everyday planner that stays in my purse. If you guys have not seen my flip through of both of these planners, I will link that in this video because I did do an entire video on them. But we're going to do a vision board in this planner, and we're also going to do a vision board in this planner right here. So I'm excited. Both of them are going to pretty much mirror each other, and I thought it would be fun to show you. So let's get started. We're going to get started with the Happy Planner vision board first. So I'm just going to set this one aside and we're going to get started. So last year, if you guys remember, I actually did my vision board on a Happy Planner cover, and I just kind of stuck it right here in the Happy Planner, and that stayed with me all year. So this year, instead of using a cover, I'm actually just going to use some blank paper here, and I'm going to decorate it, and that's how we're going to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this piece of paper here. I got this little glitter heart paper from Hobby Lobby, and I think they were on sale for $4. So I picked up a few, and I didn't know what I wanted to do with them at the time, but I thought this was perfect to make a little vision board cover so the paper just wouldn't be white and boring. I just wanted a little decoration. So what I'm going to do is glue this to the front of that piece of paper like you see me doing here. Since I wanted the front and the back to look the same, I did the same thing to the back. Only problem was I ran out of paper, so I had to use two pieces, but girl, make it do what it do, okay? That is totally okay. So here you see me adding my different goals list to the page. I just wanted to get the layout, the feel for the layout and how I wanted it. So these are my goals lists, and I already wrote them down. These are the goals that I'm going to focus on for the year. I will be letting you guys know what they are and reading through them at the end of this video. So stick around if you want to know what my exact goals are. But I just wrote down the list so I can actually have them in front of me as I'm looking at my planner. And yes, I know I have the right page upside down. I will be turning that around in a second because I finally realized it. So here I just printed out some icons, some things that I thought would be cute on the vision board. There was a camera, there's some social media labels, there's a I already said a camera, there's a stack of books there because reading is one of my goals. So I just went ahead and added those to the page now. Then I thought it would be cute to actually appropriately title the vision board on the front cover where I put that glitter paper. So I use these glitter letters. I actually used these for my vision board last year. I've had these for a long time. I got these from Michael's, and I love these little letters for whatever you need them for. But I just thought it was really cute to write Vision Board 2020 on the front of the planner. I just think it looks so cute, and it tells you what it is. Not that I didn't know, but I like having the title there. And board is a little crooked, but you know what? This isn't perfect. I'm not perfect. It just represents my imperfect life. The last step is really to grab the stickers. So I'm using my budget book, Happy Planner sticker book, and I'm just going to add some stickers. Budgeting is also one of my goal categories, so I'm going to add some budget stickers there. And then I'm going to take another sticker book and I'm going to add some more like inspirational stickers and inspirational quotes inside the vision board as well. I just think looking at those things every day really makes a difference in your mood and really how you see the world. When you look at these inspirational quotes every day, just something as simple as focus or the word happiness can really change up your mood. So I like putting stuff like that on the vision board. So next, let's move into my everyday planner. I actually switched up to a regular glue stick because I just felt like it worked so much better. I don't know why I was using that glue pen. Tip, if you're going to do this, I think a glue stick works a lot better than a glue pen. So here I'm just gluing on those same goal categories, and I'm going to go back into that budget sticker book and I'm going to add some more stickers. I'm going to go on some other sticker books. I think I used the everyday sticker book and I'm going to add some stickers from there. I used the goal setter sticker book from Happy Planner and I added some stickers there. Again, I love looking at these quotes every day. It really invigorates me, and once I look at that, like there's a quote that says follow your dreams. Like I'm looking at that and I'm like, you're right. What did I do toward my goal and towards my dreams today? Alright, you guys, so we are done. I'll show you this one first, just kind of go over some of the things that I put in here because this one was the quickest, okay? The other one kind of took me a minute, and I think it's because I was using that glue. So I was using the Elmer's Craft Bond clear tip glue pen. So much easier just to use a regular glue stick, FYI. I don't know why I thought it would be easier to use this one, but whatever. So this is my vision board for my smaller planner, my purse planner. This is what I'm going to carry with me all the time, and I really love this because it's super simple, yet it really displays what I want to do this year and what I want to get accomplished. So these boxes that I wrote in are the exact same boxes from the other planner, and it just has all of my goals, and I'll quickly go through my goals for you guys. So for social media, I have 5 categories. Let's say that I have social media goals, budget goals, reading goals, morning routine goals, and marriage goals. And so for my social media, I want to update both of my YouTube channels, the description box, the playlist, the cover photos, all of that stuff. Instagram, I want to create quality, consistent, valuable content. Number 3 is I need to get or create a media kit. Number 4, I want to get some YouTube business cards or social media business cards. And number 5, I want to post to my YouTube stories 2 times a week. That is a goal. So the next one is my budget goals, and those are 0 credit usage for the year 2020. That means nothing at all going on credit. Create a steady stream of income through social media, and pay off my consumer debt plus our car. So that is our goal for this year for budget. As far as my marriage goals, I want to spend more meaningful quality time with Mark. Hopefully that one will be able to happen. We are having another baby in a few months, so we'll see how that works. But yeah, that's one of my goals for the year. I also want to start back our relationship 101 meetings because we did kind of get away from that. And if you don't know what that is, check out our vlog channel. We talk about that. And I also want to do a new experience with my husband 1 time a month. So there's 12 little check marks here, and I'll check them off as I get them done. For my morning routine, I plan to wake up every day, Monday through Friday at 5:30 a.m. and that just helps to get me a good start throughout the day. And then on Saturday and Sunday, I plan to wake up every weekend at 7 a.m. I also want to develop a night routine because I feel like that would help me a lot more with my morning routine. And then I want to stop procrastination. I don't know why I kind of threw that in there. I guess it just fits the best because if I'm getting up at 5:30 in the morning, I have no choice but to work and not procrastinate. My last category is to read more. So I want to compile a reading list of books that I want to read or even listen to on Audible by January 31st. I want to set aside 15 minutes daily to read or listen to some kind of great book. It can be a book or a podcast. I think podcasts, depending on what you're listening to, are super helpful for your life. And I also want to habit track my reading. So those are my goals for 2020. Let me show you and go over the other planner. So here's the final look at the vision board in my main happy planner. I think it came out really well. I actually really like it. So I just decided to add these glitter letters that says vision board and then 2020. And I got the letters. They were just from a lettering sticker kit at Michael's, along with the numbers. And then this piece of paper here I got from Hobby Lobby, and it was just a single piece of like glitter paper, and you guys saw me just cut it up and add it to this white paper. So here's the actual vision board, and I really love how it turned out. I may add some more stickers later just to cover some of this white space, but for now, this is what we have. So I do have goals of updating, like I said, updating my social media, and through that, I hope that my social media grows the way I want it to grow. So I did just put down some aspiring numbers here. I have a cute little camera that I found, a cute little Canon camera. With the budget goals, I went into my budget sticker book from the Happy Planner and just added some of these really cute stickers. There's a little calculator. This one says, wealth is the ability to fully experience life, which I love, said by Henry David Thoreau. And just some more quotes here, some more aspiring quotes that every time I look at this, I'll get inspired to really save and meet my goals. Same with the morning routine. I just added a good morning quote that I printed out. My marriage, I just have some inspiring stickers along with my reading list, and that's that. I really love doing vision boards. Not only is this like, it helps with my creativity, but it's very therapeutic for me. When I can really sit down and visualize and see my goals, when I write things down, it helps me really bring it to life. So I love doing vision boards like this. I just feel like it's really helpful for me. And hopefully you guys have done your vision boards. If you have not done your vision board already, don't get discouraged. It's January. You still have an entire year. So sit down, figure out what goals you have for the year, write them down, and put them somewhere. You don't have to do fancy stickers. You don't have to do photos. You don't have to spend a lot of time on it. Just write your goals down, and I promise you that helps you manifest them into reality. But that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it was helpful and inspiring for you. Let me know what some of your goals for 2020 are down below in the comment section. I'd love to know what you guys are planning to get done this year. Love you so much, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.